today I have a super fun book for you. It's called Shark vs. Train. Who do you think will win? Let's find out together. I'm going to chew you up and spit you out. I'm going to finish you. Mackerel breath. Who will win? Shark vs. Train. Well, that depends on if they're in the ocean. How's that furnish working for you? Glurp, glurp. Or on railroad tracks. Can we make it 2 out of 3? If they're on a seesaw. Or in hot air balloons. Loose caboose. Roasting marshmallows. Duet. Eating pies. I could go for some coal. Or having a burping contest. Burp. Burp. It depends on whether they're bowling. That counts as a strike, right? This is why you guys have a bad reputation. Shooting baskets? How? He's crushing me too. Or going off the high dive. Eek! Have more. I've got plenty. I'm perked. Running lemonade stands. What me? It's a little watery. Trick or treating. The clown is very hungry. Or giving a ride at a carnival. You must be this crazy to go on this ride. Train ride, $1. It can depend on who gets to pick first. Let's see which one. Who names the game? Your choice. And who deals the card? I believe this card are marked. Go fish! But who wins if they're? Playing hide and seek. Or trying not to get sushi. But I wasn't doing anything. Sorry. Quiet! Shark! Clunk. performing in a piano recital. Sorry, the sound of the pellets gives me the machines. I guess I hit the last note a little hard. Are playing extra zombies girls want to class? Sure would help if we had thumbs.
Yes!
Exploring distant galaxies? We need to find some train tracks. I have a bad feeling about this. Or start fighting on a tightrope. Sword fight? I thought we were having swordfish. Couldn't we do this on a bridge or in a deep pot? I'll just wait here. Or... Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Now would be a good time for a break. Boys, lunch! Next time your history shoots spear. Next time your sunk squid slurper. End of the line. Toys. That was so much fun. Did you pick a favorite? Shark or train? Thanks for reading with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!